My name's Ashley and I'm a registered dental hygienist, and sorry if I slur, stutter, or make a fool of myself, but I have Invisalign. I am doing a refinement with my Invisalign treatment. I originally did my original treatment in 2009 actually, and I requested a refinement in 2017. I never completed it. So here we go. I have a little bit of crowding here and my bite's a little bit off. So hopefully with my refinement that all gets corrected. But I was sent a package a couple months ago. I think it was actually about a month ago, right before the holidays, from Movemints. So here's the box. By no means is it sponsored or anything. They sent me the box and I want to just unbox it with you guys and tell you what I've tried so far and then tell you what I'm actually excited about trying. So what Movemints are, the brand itself is a company of mints. So they sent me bigger packages and then also little samples for my patients. So about 3 little mints come in here. What it is, open them up. And they look like that. So you can see, and the design is very important because for people that wear retainers, Invisalign, whatnot, you put it in and you can bite down and stimulate. Normally, if your trays are not seated properly, then you're not getting proper movement. But also, normally you have to have some kind of like rubber thing that you just chew on until it helps seat. This is more convenient. More hygienic because it's a mint, so it's dissolving. And also, it's made with xylitol, which if you talk to any of your dental professionals, they're gonna recommend a sugar-free substance that is made with xylitol because, now I'm salivating, sorry. Because xylitol cannot be used by your teeth, the xylitol is really important because the germs that make cavities cannot use xylitol to ferment and actually ruin your teeth. So this is very convenient, especially since you have the trays in. If you have areas where you are more prone to cavities in between the teeth, whatnot, then having something like this is gonna benefit you a lot. So, have it in your mouth, move it around, help your trays seat. And they taste amazing actually. So I really like that. These are awesome. So for any of my patients that are gonna be going through Invisalign, I have samples for them and I have stuff for me too. So perfect. Now, the next thing that they sent me was the Smile Saver. Smile Saver is a sanitizing spray for your trays. You all know that when you take something out, you put it in all day back and forth, then this is going to help kill the germs. So before I take it out and put it into my tray, spray it, put it away, and it's super easy. So really all you have to do, spray it, wait 60 seconds, and it's sterilized. Sanitized, not sterilized. That's gonna be super convenient to put in my bag with my retainers. Other things they've sent me, which I'm not 100% sure of a fan of, these little flossers. I don't recommend floss picks for my patients. They are very convenient. I love the convenience of flossers, but when you have something like this, you normally are not flossing properly. So that's my concern. So I'm gonna take my trays out and I suck in the air because it makes it more. So it's like flossers. When you go like this, it's really hard for you to really maneuver it. Most people are just popping in and out. That's not very convenient. It's convenient, but it's not very effective. So what's nice about these though, they are using biodegradable cornstarch. So I think that's really amazing. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they are a vegan product. So 2 great points to the product, just not loving a non-floss flosser. I think that everyone should be using manual floss unless you have issues with your hands and you really just can't reach the areas, then this would really come in handy. So this one's not going in the box, and I'll give these to my patients that have dexterity problems so they can try them out. But really cute packaging. I love that they're biodegradable, great for the environment. What else came in this little box? So also, the brand does make a whitening pen. So what they do, if I can open it, and it's also made in the US, and it uses hydrogen peroxide. So very sleek looking, like it's very convenient to have it in your purse. And then let's read the directions. Remove cap, twist handle several times until gel appears in the brush. Smile wide and apply it onto each tooth. After 60 seconds, relax your smile. Do not eat or drink anything except for water for 1 hour. Spit out or rinse with water after 5 minutes. So this would be really good to have in just your purse on the go. We'll do a little tester with that later. I'll take a before picture and an after picture and see how it looks out. I'll throw that in here. And then, what else do we get? Now, I don't have any little buttons on my teeth. My trays do have buttons, but since I did not continue my treatment many years ago, the buttons have been since taken off. But if you ever have an issue getting your trays off, this is nice. Especially for females that have nails, or if you're really, nails are really like, where am I looking at that? Your nails are very brittle. You go to take your tray off, you might break your nail. Or having something like this is a little bit more hygienic, especially depending on what you're doing that day. What it is, it's a little hook. Now, I'm not gonna open these because I don't have the buttons, and I'd rather give them to my patients that need them. I'd rather share than care, you know what I mean? So they sent me 3 of them. So all you do is it goes on there. Let me see if I get a better picture. A little better, there you go. So you can see it's a little hook. And it just hooks right onto it and pops it out. Last thing in my package is this convenient little holder. As I blind y'all. But, so you can put your trays in here and keep them on hand. And also it's really nice because it does have the mirror in it. So you can make sure your teeth are clean before replacing your trays. So that's what I received in this box. I'm super excited to utilize definitely the Movements. I think the name's so cute, Movements. And then also we'll try out the Whitening Pen. This is gonna be a lifesaver since when you're ever on the go, you just don't have time to like rinse out everything, clean it all. So keeping all those things in mind. If you guys want any more information, I'm gonna link their information in the comments or the product description below, and you can contact them, okay? So if you guys wanna see anything else dental related, I want to build my channel with some more things regarding dental. So if there's any questions, whether you are a hygienist and you wanna know some more things about products, see more product reviews, or if you are the common Joe and you wanna understand what we're talking about when we say, oh, you need a root canal or RCT, root canal therapy. I wanna explain those things in terms that are really easy for everyone to understand. So I hope you guys have a great day, and like I said before, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, down below. Bye.